How to install Internet Download Manager, full activated lifetime access. First, download the file, then open Internet Download Manager installer. Here you can see the download manager option is open installer, then click accept, next. Here you can see Internet Download Manager is finished. This is the Google Chrome extension, which is fully set, and here you can see the Internet Download Manager is here. Here you can see the registration option. This is the help option. When you click on about IDM, you can see unregistered version, trial version. Then you have to close the IDM, then click exit, then go to patch, 64-bit patch, then copy, click option, open file location. Here you can see, click paste here. You can see now. First you have to then click this software. If you have the software opening problem, you have to stop the Windows Defender first. If not, then it's okay. Then open it, click yes, next, install cracking team, no need, finish. Close the file. Then open the Internet Download Manager. Here you can see cracked by crackpitching.com, and if you go to the about menu, here you can see full version is activated. Right, here is the license key. Okay, thanks a lot for the enjoy the software.